As technology in the communication landscape continues to evolve, wired and wireless ecosystems are growing more complex. The maintenance, repairs, and inspection of various devices requires extensive training and skill development for engineers. Training employees hands-on with real equipment requires significant investment in both time and money from businesses. With immersive technologies, telecom organizations will be able to develop enhanced training environments that simulate real-world experiences. Using these training scenarios, companies can provide their teams with the skills they need to use complex pieces of machinery. At the same time, similar training programs can be used for non-technical training too. Telecom and media companies can use mixed reality environments to teach professionals how to interact effectively with customers in crucial sales and service conversations. Plus, the right tools will make it easier to track which employees are achieving the best outcomes from their training and determine what kind of training strategies users respond to best. As mentioned, telecoms companies often spend a lot of time working with equipment and tools requiring expert insights. Whether it's a piece of complex machinery or a software system delivering insights into data analytics, employees need to ensure they can access support from the right subject matter experts when tackling business challenges. With augmented and mixed reality, telecoms companies can manage field service experts more effectively, as well as ensuring specialist support is always available when employees need it. Field service technicians can use MR and AR glasses to send information from the field back to specialists in any environment, getting real-time support and guidance on how to fix common problems. At the same time, virtual reality environments provide a landscape where specialists can collaborate over data visualizations and reports to make better decisions about the growth and progress of the business. With better tools for collaboration to enable employees wherever they are, telecoms and media companies will be able to empower faster growth. Telecoms companies and media brands will thrive on delivering exceptional service to customers. Immersive technologies can help take this service and support to a new level. For instance, with a mixed reality ecosystem, telecoms companies can provide their clients with access to equipment manuals they can explore in an immersive environment, making it easier to learn how to use and maintain pieces of equipment. Speaking of maintenance, with extended reality tools, it's possible for agents to essentially join their clients wherever they are and walk them through the process of fixing common problems. Customer support strategies enhanced with immersive technologies will also allow businesses to interact with their customers like never before. Companies will be able to give customers demos of their products in virtual reality and create extensive onboarding campaigns using augmented or mixed reality. Contact us today at info@digital360.com to see how we can best support you to engage in your digital transformation process successfully.